Again I'll start. 3:30 you will close. Okay, so let us start the. So let us start the session. So I will begin from the first, because just now they made this connection. Okay. So basically in this session we will be looking after DADLM-04. It is about DSpace and Greenstone software installation and its procedures. Okay. So basically when we speak about digital library, so digital library is about collection of the resources in digital format. So in DSpace and in Greenstone we will be looking after how to manage those collections, how to add those collections in the software, and how to make the metadata elements into it, and how to extract the elements. Okay. So, so in the previous class we were discussing about digital library, and few of you said the uses of digital library as it can be accessed from anywhere, at any point we can able to access, it can be shared to n number of users. So the same concept is with the Greenstone and DSpace. And can you give an example for any digital library software? Any digital library software which you have come across? So you can say DSpace, Greenstone, Fedora, ePrints, Resource Space. Okay, so these are few of the digital library softwares, and in this session we will be looking after Greenstone, and in the next session we will be looking after DSpace. So basically Greenstone is a digital library software, and it provides a way for building of distributing digital library collections, opening up new possibilities for organizing information and making it available over the internet or on CD-ROM. Okay. So this digital library software was developed in the Waikato University in New Zealand. Okay. And the latest version of Greenstone is 3.11. This is the latest version of Greenstone, and Greenstone is it is open source. You can able to download it and you can able to redistribute it on your own. And Greenstone comes in multilingual software. It does not comes only in English, it comes in multilingual software as well. And also this Greenstone is available in all platforms. All platforms means in all operating system like Windows, Linux. Okay, so in all the Windows, Linux platform you can able to install Greenstone and you can able to work on it. So this is the brief introduction about Greenstone digital library. Now we will see how to download digital library software, how to install it, and how to add research articles into it. Okay. So in your screen please open Google page. In your desktop please open Google page. And in Google just type Greenstone, Greenstone. So the first option you will get is, first result is Greenstone digital library software, welcome. Okay. So click on it. So you will be navigated to greenstone.org. So this is the welcome screen of Greenstone digital library software, and you can find all the information related to Greenstone here. And at the top corner you can find home download examples. Okay. So click on download. So now we are using an Windows operating system. So we need to download the for Windows Greenstone 3.11 windows.exe. Okay, so windows.exe is the file for downloading Greenstone software. So click on 3.11 windows.exe. It will navigate to an external page, sourceforge.com. Okay. So what I will do, it is around 600 to 700 MB. So I will just circulate this pen drive. In pen drive you have Greenstone software already downloaded. So it takes time for you to download in your system. So I will circulate this pen drive. You please share it among yourself. Copy the pen software in the your system. So this is whose pen drive? Yes, okay. I will copy in this also. So have any of you used Greenstone before? Or like, or used in your institutions? Okay. So some of you can share this. There is a file called Greenstone, okay, greenstone.exe. Greenstone 3.11. This some of you can share.
So is there any other software which now recently used just
For digital library,
yes,
they are using Drupal, DSpace more.
these days?
Yeah, because DSpace user interface, it's nice, so they are using DSpace as a digital library software in most of the institutions. So once you have copied that, I have separated the pen drives. You can copy the software using the pen drive. So once you copied the software, double click on the software. So once you copy, double click on the software, and then you will get a screen like Windows protected your PC. Okay, so in that case, click on more info and click run anyway. So it is like it is restricting the external software to get installed into your PC. So it's not a problem. You can just click more info and then you can install the software. Okay, have you installed? So double click on greenstone 3.11.exe. You will get a screen, blue screen. Click on more info and click run anyway. So once you go through that process, you will get an installation screen with the first option is language. Okay. So once you copy it, double click on greenstone 3.11.exe and then you will get a blue screen. Click on more info and then click run anyway and then just give installation. Give next, next, next. So it will prompt you to create a folder. Click on yes. and then you have to proceed next, next, next. So for basically a Greenstone server to be installed, you require some of the basic softwares, okay, like Java, and then you need Tomcat, and then you need a space for the software to get installed, and you need some accountable RAM space to get running the softwares, okay. So some basic requirements are there. So once the installation is complete, you will get a pop-up message finished, okay. So once you get a finished message, you can click on exit and then go to start menu and open Greenstone 3 server. Yeah, go to start option. So once your installation is complete, go to start menu, click Greenstone server. So see, for the first time you have to open Greenstone server, and for the next time no need to open server, you can just go to librarian interface, okay. Yeah, enter library. Wait, it will come slowly. You already installed, right?
No, sir.
Yes. Give yes. No, no, yes. Next. 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 Install. Please give accept. Accept. Next. Yes. Next. Next. Install. Sir, next. No, no, no. This is a copied file. No, just now you got the message, na? Pop-up screen. Where did you copy the file? No, from pen drive you copy. Okay, this is fine. You can give escape. Give cancel. Now you can go to Greenstone librarian interface. For the first time you need to click on server, second time librarian. Yeah. Okay, wait. Okay, give okay. Maximize it. No, maximize the screen. Okay. No, you are again installing the same.
No, sir.
Now it's done, now installation is done, right? No, 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 it is in pen drive. You cannot do like that.
Direct answer. हो गया
सर कॉपी हम लोग को नहीं आ रहा था करने, एक बार बताइएगा सर।
Click OK.
प्लीज मी हाउ टू कॉपी,
Yeah, coming.
हाउ टू कॉपी दिस।
So it is now here, okay. Now you have to double click this.
Exit कर दो.
Exit, click on exit, ma'am. Go to start menu. No, go to start menu. Start menu, type Greenstone.
Then next,
No, library interface. Okay, fine. So once you've done the installation, I will repeat the steps again. Okay. So once you're done with your installation, you have to go to start menu, open librarian server, sorry, Greenstone server. Okay. So for why you have to initiate the Greenstone server is that it will check whether Java and other prerequisite softwares are installed or not. So once every softwares are installed, then you have to close that screen and go to start menu and open librarian interface. Greenstone librarian interface. No, ma'am, it's already completed na installation. So no need to install again and again. Wait. Type Greenstone here. Ma'am. Yeah, wait.
Librarian interface.
That's all. Give OK. Click on exit. Now go to start menu. Type Greenstone librarian interface. First one.
yeah.
Yes. Okay. So this is the Greenstone librarian interface screen. Okay, the screen what you are viewing is the Greenstone librarian interface screen. At the left side, you will be having a workspace. So the workspace is where you will be creating a hierarchy and importing all your documents.
Documents and milestone conditions.
Yeah. Maximize the screen. Okay. So this is the Greenstone home screen where at the left side you will be having workspace. So in workspace you will be having you have to create all the hierarchies. Okay. For example, hierarchy in the sense, for example, if you are creating a university called Delhi University. Okay. So below Delhi University you will be having lots and lots of department. So for example, under Delhi University you are going to create Department of Library Information Science. Under Department of Library Information Science, we will be creating BLIS, MLIS and PG DADLM. Okay. So that is called as hierarchy. So inside each folder you can able to add n number of articles. Okay. So those hierarchies, those levels you can able to create in the left side column called workspace. Okay. So what you do, you try to download, login into your DU e-library from Scopus database or Web of Science database. You try to download one research article so that we can able to add in this. Okay. Or if you no need to go there, you can just download it from the Google Scholar. Okay, have you downloaded? If the login part takes so much of time, you can just download from Google Scholar. Any one article is fine, which has the title, author, affiliations and keywords. So for adding some articles into Greenstone, you need this primary metadata: title, author, keywords and author affiliations. So once you download the article, please navigate to Greenstone page again, to the librarian interface. Download one article. Just go to the browser. Yeah, you have to download one article. Any topic? Any topic. Okay, the article is downloaded. It is downloaded in downloads. Okay, this one.
Okay, sir.
So if you have done with an article download, just go to your librarian interface again. Okay. At the left top corner, you can able to find a menu option called File. Okay. At the top left, you can find a menu option File. Click on File and click New. Click on File and click New. So once you click on New, you will get a collection title. Okay. So you can mention collection title as sample or PG DADLM or with your name, anything. Okay. So this is for creation of a new folder. So go to File and click New. A pop-up window comes. You have to mention your collection title as your name or PG DADLM or anything if you want. And description of the content you can give yourself. Okay, anything you can give. Sample file for PG DADLM students. After that, click on OK. Done. So once you are done with the collection, automatically your file name will be changed to whatever the name you have given. So at the top you can find library collection, librarian collection is whatever the name you have changed will be notified there.
You can select any option for.
No, that is new collection. You are creating a new collection. Click OK. So here go to file option, click on new,
Okay.
and you have to give your any title. Okay, you can mention any title for the collection. File option, new, okay, it's coming for you. So once you rename the collection, automatically at the top side, at the top title bar, you can find the collection name what you have mentioned. Okay. Done. Okay. So the next step is below file option you can able to find some 5 menus. Okay. Download, gather, enrich, design, create and format. Okay. So now we have done with gather. Next we have to go to enrich option. The third option, enrich. No, not here. This one, enrich. At the top, enrich. Okay. So on the left side you will be having a column called collection. Okay. So in that collection, right click on the collection on the left. On the left side you have a collection column. So right click on the collection, give new folder. Here. Right click. Down, little down. Here. In the gap. Yeah, right click. Click new folder. Right click.
Where?
Here. New folder. Okay. You can give the folder name as sample or PG DADLM. Down. So this is the place where we will be creating an hierarchy. Okay. You can mention the subject name or you can mention the university name, whatever it is. So I have created a folder called sample. So inside this sample I am going to add the files. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to drag and drop the file what you have downloaded. So everyone has created a folder. Okay. So the next step what you can do is right click on the folder. Go to enrich. Right click here in PG DADLM. So right click on the folder, click new file upload. Right click on the folder name and click new file upload. Okay. So once you click on new file upload, you will get a window. You have to select your downloaded file. So you have downloaded an article from the database, right? So you have to choose the article from the downloads option. So if you could not able to find downloads,
Yes.
go down, down, sir, down, downloads is there. Right click, new file upload, over.
select कर लिए
Okay. You can check here. So, what is the file you downloaded, sir? Okay, done. Okay, so when you double click the particular folder which you have created, for example sample or PG DADLM, you can able to find the article hierarchy to it. Okay, so below that folder you can find that article. Okay. So at the right side you can able to find all the elements. So these elements are nothing but Dublin core metadata elements. Okay, so basically in a Dublin core metadata element you will having basic 15 fields. Okay, so all the fields will be mentioned here. So now what you have to do, you have to manually fill all the details. So for that what you have to do is you have to double click on the article you have imported. If you double click the article will get open. So from that article you have to copy the title of the article, author of the article, publisher, date of the publications. Okay, so what and all information is available in that article you have to mention it there. Can you able to understand? So you have to double click.
Okay, sir.
So that article will get open.
Okay.
This is the article you downloaded. So now what you have to do, dc.title, in title page you have to copy the title of the article.
Okay, sir.
This is the title, copy and paste it here.
Okay, sir.
Give Control V. Okay, so the title is copied. And similarly you have to mention creator, subject and keyword, description, publisher, date, resource type, it is a research article, format is PDF, okay, source from which database you have taken, language is in English, okay. So what and all fields it is necessity or it is there in the available in the article, you have to just import it. Can you able to understand?
yes sir.
I'll just mention one more. So you have to open your article. What you have to do, you have to
Type copy
copy here and paste it in your greenstone.
dash
Okay, like this. So meanwhile you have creator is the author, subject and keywords, description, publisher, contributor. So what and all fields are there in the article, you have to just copy and paste it here. Yes.
This is the article.
Okay, so this is the title. Copy the title and paste it here. Okay, so like this you have to mention what and all fields is available in the article, you have to copy and paste it. Creator is available, subject and keyword is available, description is abstract, you can copy, publisher is available, date is available, resource type, format, source.
So we have to add manually.
Yeah, you have to add manually. So, in my article, okay, there is only one author. So, if in case in your article if you have more than one author, what you have to do is after completing the first author you should give an enter. So, the same dc.creator will create another one column, another one row. So, in the second row you have to mention the second author. If you don't understand, please call me. You have to be more cautious in selecting the author's name, affiliations, everything. So, if you have more than one author, just give the first author name and then give enter. So, it creates second row of dc.creator. In that you can mention the second author name. Sorry? Yeah, you can give the URL. So, the basic fields you have to mention, okay, dc.title. So, dc is nothing but Dublin core, okay, Dublin core title, creator, subject and keywords, description is the abstract, publisher is the publisher of the article, contributor you can, sometimes there will be more contributors for the article, and date of the publication, resource type is PDF, sorry, format is PDF, and language you can mention as English, source from where you have taken, from Google Scholar or from any database.
So in the source type what we?
Resource is a research article, na?
Relation.
Okay. So if you are done with it, can we proceed to the next step? Sorry?
All fields
Not all the fields are compulsory. Whatever fields it is mandatory, you have to fill. See, if you don't fill those fields, in output page you will not get the entire results. You will not get the entire details of the page.
Sir, publisher.
Yeah, okay. So here you have 3 authors.
Yes,
So 3 authors are there. So for that what you have to do, so this is the first author, you can give one enter. So it will create second author. Okay. So that what you can do, you can copy this and paste it in the second author name. Please press Ctrl V and give enter. So it will create another author.
Okay, sir.
Ctrl V. And for the fourth author,
Only we will have to press enter.
enter. Ctrl V.
Then, sir,
That's all.
then we
And format you
Publisher.
can mention as PDF. DC.format is PDF.
What will be, sir, publisher?
Publisher you can take. See, this is published by Sage Publication, I guess. From Sage Publishers only we took this article, na?
Last may mention only. Mostly says last may
Sage
It's
Journal.
from Sage only. So we can mention as Sage Publishers. That is contributor.
Contributor or what?
No, no, publisher. Publisher you have to mention. No, no. Here, this is publisher. So you have to remove this and type Sage Publications. Okay, done? Okay. So the next step is, so whatever information you are providing in those metadata fields you have to give. So these fields are called metadata. So data is nothing but, metadata is nothing but data of data. It is collection of data. Okay. So next option is you have to go to design. So at the menu option, sorry? No, we have not completed. For one single file, sir, we have to do these many steps. So in design option, you will be having how to design your web pages. So this is basically called a web page design. Okay. So your output will be coming in a web page. So here we can able to customize your HTML web pages, which we will be seeing in the next class. Okay. So next to the design, you are having an option called create. Okay. So the fourth option is called create. Go click on create, and at the bottom you can find an option called build collection. Okay. Are you able to find build collection? Yes, sir. So click on build collection. So the what and all data you have added into your collection will get builds. Okay. So you will get, you have to read what and all the instruction it is giving. It will show, it will give an instruction like metadata is being processed, it is creating an index, one document was considered for processing, one document was processed and included in the collection. Okay. Because this is an important step. For example, if you are working in a library and you are adding 50 documents at a go. Okay. In this step you can able to find how many documents are get included into that collection. In out of that 50 documents, if you find 49 documents are included, so one document is not included, and that document you have to find it out and you have to rearrange again. Okay. So all of you are getting that one document was considered and processing, one document was processed and included in the collection. Okay, that is not a problem. Greenstone is running. In Greenstone application, ma'am. Greenstone application. Yes, build collection, one document process and included collection. Okay. So you also got that? No, it's again creating from first. Okay. So you will get a option called, you will get a statement that one document was processed and included in the collection, which means that the document which you have included into the collection got processed. Okay. And at the right end you can find an option called preview collection. So click on preview collection. Okay, at the right end you will get an option called preview collection. Give okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay. 0 documents. Ma'am, have you installed the file correctly? Because the server file is missing. It's on server.
वो तो हुआ कैसे फिर ये तो वो दिखा रहा है कि मैंने आर्टिकल अपलोड किया
हाँ तो वो आ तो गया आपको पर
Yeah, one document was added. Okay, the collection contains one document. Can wait, ma'am. I think you have not installed the software properly. Okay, so when you open the preview page, you can able to find a message shows that one document has been added. Why it is not showing? One was unrecognized. See, it was not considered. Hey, you have not downloaded the PDF. It is CSV file. So what you have to do, you have to first remove the file and again add a new file. You have to download this, save, downloads, save this, and then new file upload, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in create, build collection. Okay, one document was processed and included in the collection. Okay, one document is there. Okay, can you able to understand? Okay, so now what we have done is we have created a collection, and inside that collection we have imported a PDF file, that is an article. Okay, so for importing those articles, what we have done, we have created a sample folder, and inside that sample folder we have added that particular article, and for that article we have given all those Dublin Core metadata elements from title, creator, publisher, date, language, format, everything. Okay, so after giving those things, we have built the collection. Once the build is done, then we have to preview the collection. Okay, so this is the entire step of a Greenstone digital library. So similarly, try to add one or two more articles, download one or two more articles from the database, download those articles, include that article into your collection, and try whether it is coming, whether the results are showing in your library interface. So next class what we will be seeing is, in this Greenstone digital library, now we have added PDF file. In next class we will see how to add an HTML file, and also we will see how to customize the web page. The web page what you are seeing is full of green and white. So we will now try to add a banner for it with your own library, with your name. You can create a library, and you can create some of the metadata fields in the left side, some refined terms, and you can change the font size, color, everything in the web page. Okay, so that we can see in the next class. So currently what you do, you just try to download some articles from the database and try to import into the collection and see whether you can able to showcase that in the result page. Yes. And one more thing is that I will come to you back. So if you have done any mistakes, okay, for example, now you have uploaded one document. If you have done any mistake, for example, any creator name is wrong, what you can do directly, you can go to that gather page and enrich page. Okay, so enrich page you have to go, click on that article, at the right side you will find all the metadata, you can directly rename it, or you can do all your corrections there. Again you have to build the collection again, then only it will get reflected. So if you want to change this, you can rename this, and again you have to go to create and build again. Yes.
To upload one more file, then we have.
Yeah, you have to again PGDLAN. Go to PGDLAN. No, go to PGDLAN. Right click.
Okay.
Right click. No. In PGDLAN you have to right click. New file upload. New file upload.
Okay.
First you have to download the file. Okay. Click on the file. Double click. Now you have to copy and paste it there. So if you have any queries, please call me.
सर दोबारा ऐड करने के लिए फिर से उसी प्रोसेस से जाएंगे.
So here is your file.
ये तो ठीक है.
Okay.
दूसरा आर्टिकल ऐड करते
Yeah, second article you have to go here. Go to gather.
फिर से उसी वही प्रोसेस फॉलो करेंगे.
Same process. New file upload. Choose the file. Same process.
एंड अगर जो इंटरफेस ये शो कर रहा था.
Interface we will be seeing in the next class. Yeah, this interface we will be changing the color.
ये एड्रेस हम सेव करके रखेंगे तो डायरेक्ट ये खुलेगा.
It will come the same address. See, he has asked me a doubt regarding the URL of the Greenstone. At the URL you can find localhost : 8383. So localhost : 8383 is nothing but we have set up a server where the server is running inside your CPU itself. So in that case it is localhost. For example, if you are setting up a server in a server station, and if you are going to access it, what you did in the librarian interface will be the server, and what you are viewing now, the green color and white color, the display of your web PDF files, that is the client side. The page where you imported all the Dublin core elements or the server side, and the URL localhost : 8383 will be the client side. Okay. So librarian side you will be working, client side the users will be viewing. So try to download some articles. Yes.
This is the article.
Mm.
I just gave this now.
It will be here. Title you have to change. It is not a title. Attachment sheet. So if you have doubts or any queries, please call me. So dc.title is the title of the article, dc.creator is the author, dc.description is the abstract, dc.publisher is the publication of the particular article, dc.date is the date in which the article has been published, dc.resource type is the whether it is a research article, research or a ebook, so those kind of things you can mention there, and dc.language is the language of the article. So what are the metadata fields it is mandatory or required there you can fill. Sorry? So this is a protected file. So what you can do, you can just download that file.
Okay. Downloads. This one, first one.
You can open with Adobe Reader and try to copy now.
Okay.
Copy. Paste. No. So you try to download some other article.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes.
यहाँ जो राइट्स मैनेजमेंट है वो किस तरह से मैनेज करेगा?
Rights management no need.
हाँ?
Rights management no need. See this resource type,
ये
date.
ठीक है, मैं यहाँ डेमो के लिए ठीक है, लेकिन अगर लाइब्रेरी सेटअप होगा तब तो राइट्स मैनेजमेंट जरूरी होगा.
See, in rights management, you can mention whether the rights is with you or not. Basically, this is for institutional repository, na? So, if you are being a faculty of a particular institute, you can give the rights to the users whether it is belongs to that particular institute or not. Okay, they will publish a research article.
अगर हम सिर्फ चाहेंगे कि हम यूजर को सिर्फ only for educational purpose, not for
That also you can mention.
then
It is not for copying or copyright issues are there. That also you can mention there.
तो यहाँ पे यहीं पे सारा कुछ होगा. मैंने जैसे इसमें किस तरह से वो इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे?
English.
And how can we implement rights management here?
See, you cannot implement anything here. It is just a database. Okay. So in this database, what you can mention, you can mention all the metadata which is available here. So in rights management, what you can do is you can mention whether it is belongs to a particular institute or not. This is basically an institutional repository digital library. Okay. So you can mention this article is being certified by a particular institute or it belongs to our institute. There is no permission to copy that article or there is no permission to share that article. So those kind of rights permission you can mention there.
Here we can basically use Creative Commons.
That also you can mention. Creative Commons license, CCC, CC, all that also you can mention.
We can mention only in coded form.
That only I am saying it is an institutional repository, so you can manage the rights for that. Either you can see Creative Commons license, but by a library science professional we may be knowing, but someone who is not from a library science professional they will not know. So there you can mention as this article is managed only, can be circulated only by our institute faculties, not for the others.
So, if this file is institutional file, then an institution also want to use by other faculty members of the
They can
same
use.
institution.
They can use.
But when we upload on IR, then we have to place.
That time you have to mention the license here, that it is accessible only within the institute. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please call me. Try to download 2 or 3 articles from the database and try to add into that collection. And also if you have your own laptop or desktops in your home, you can download this article. It's around 600 to 700 MB. And the preliminary software required is Tomcat and Java for this platform. Obviously all systems will be having Java in it. And check whether it's 34-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. Based upon that, Tomcat and Java will differ. So if everything is fine, do you have any queries?
जो हम मेटा डाटा एंट्री के हैं वो रिव्यू कैसे करेंगे? ये तो फिर जैसे हम बिना विदाउट ओपनिंग PDF I want to check author name and I have also mentioned URL for that. Where can I find that?
You want that metadata fields to be displayed here.
Yeah.
That will come. So in the next class we will be discussing about that. So here we have this now in this design option. So here we have to change some of the things and we have to add some plugins also. So in search index also we have to do some write up, program write up. So based upon that you will get all the content here. So description you add an abstract. That abstract also will be displayed here.
Okay.
And if you want, so now the title is without author. So if you want author name to be displayed, that also we can make.
Okay.
So
Basic,
new
I like
option,
that,
yeah, this is dc.creator.
catalog, OPEC system. Type.
Yeah. So now we have added dc.creator. Okay.
और एक और प्रॉब्लम था in initial phase build collection that is easy but when collection is too much high large amount of connection then
It will take some time. Yeah, it will take some time. Based upon the file size, it will take some time.
Because day by day collection will be increased.
Yeah. So for that only here what you can do, you can mention the hierarchy. So in single hierarchy you will not be mentioning all the files. So here you can mention pitch DLAN, BLAS first sum, BLAS second sum, like that. So for in each folder you will be having 10 to 15 files, so that you can able to build easily. If you have more number of collection to single folder, it will be difficult. So that only we are following this hierarchy here. Okay. So if it is fine, then we can wind up the session for today. Please try to install this software in your home laptop or desktop. If you have any queries, we will discuss this in the next class. Okay. So next class we will be handling about how to add HTML files in Greenstone and also how to customize the user side. Change the website page with few banners and customization, change the font size, font color, everything. Okay. So please sign the attendance.